Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I will list for you the 9 reasons that new content creators need to keep in mind when creating videos on YouTube. This assessment targets several key aspects, including the clarity of the message and the impact of the content. The first item, it's clarity of the message. Is the message, and the question is the message clear and easy to understand? Successful content creators communicate their ideas clearly so viewers can easily grasp their message. Second item, target audience. Is the message tailored to a specific audience? Evaluating whether the message is directed appropriately is important. Does the content resonate with the audience? The message should be engaging for the audience it targets. Be presented in a way that appeals to their level of understanding. Third, tone and style. Is the tone appropriate for the message? Content creators often use specific tones: casual, formal, humorous, dramatic, etc. The tone should match the content and its goals depending on the topic. There's also the consistency of style. Does the creator maintain a consistent style in their content? Inconsistent messaging or tone can confuse viewers and make the content feel less authentic. Fourth item, value and purpose. Does the content provide value to the audience? Whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration, the message should provide value to the viewer. If the content is informative, it should be accurate and insightful. If it's entertainment, it should engage or amuse the audience. Is there a purpose behind the content? A clear purpose makes the content more impactful and gives the creator a sense of direction. Fifth item, authenticity and integrity. Is the message authentic? Authenticity is crucial for creating a strong connection with an audience. I believe this aspect is extremely important. It is where you can actually attract viewers and connect with them and establish a bond in a sense. Viewers often seek out creators who feel genuine and true to themselves. An evaluation should assess whether the creator is being honest and transparent. Does the message align with the creator's actions or brand? Sometimes content creators might present messages that conflict with their previous content, brand, or behavior. This somehow can create distrust. And I would definitely warn on making sure this doesn't happen. Ensuring alignment between a creator's message and their action is key to evaluating their content. Number 6, its impact on viewers. Does the message inspire or influence action? Many content creators aim to provoke a response from their audience, whether that's encouraging a specific behavior, changing opinions, or inspiring creative thinking. The impact of the message can be positive, motivation in the form of motivation, learning, or negative impact, such as spreading misinformation, reinforcing harmful stereotypes. Are there ethical considerations? Is the message respectful, inclusive, and responsible? That's another item that needs to be kept in mind. 7, Engagement with audience. Is there an interactive element? Many content creators engage with their audiences through comments, social media, or live streams. Evaluating how well the creator interacts with their audience and how it shapes the message is important. The feedback loops on this. A creator's ability to listen to feedback and adapt their messaging based on audience reaction shows a level of engagement and commitment to their audience needs and expectations. Eighth item is the visual and production quality. Does the presentation enhance the message? The visual, editing, and production quality should support and elevate the message. High-quality visuals and effective editing can make a message clearer and more engaging, while poor production may cause exactly the opposite effect. 9. Ethical and social responsibility. Does the creator take the responsibility for their message? Evaluating the creator's social and ethical responsibility is essential, especially if they have a large following. In conclusion, to evaluate a YouTube content creator's message effectively, it's important to look at how well they communicate their intended ideas, whether their content aligns with their audience expectations and values, and the overall impact their message has on viewers. So this resumes my process of thinking on this particular subject, and I want to thank you for your participation. I hope I was informative and truthful on this matter, and thank you very much, and see you soon.